What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Joseph back again. It's been a long time, and I'm in a different location now. So if you don't know from the last time, I got rid of the Focus, I got rid of the garage. There's a bit of an issue with the Focus, to be fair. Lovely car. I was really excited to get it. As you know, I was going through it, but the rust was just getting too much of a problem. And with my skill set, my ability, my time, it wasn't really something I was going to be able to do. And with the garage as well, it was in Stevenage. I live somewhere else in Hertfordshire, so it was about a 50-minute drive to get there. And it just really wasn't going to be working. So we haven't got the Focus anymore, but I've still got my lovely Seat Ibiza. And today I've got an issue. So I'm going to walk through that with you and I'm going to see if we can fix it. I thought I'd like to give you guys something, and I really miss making content. But we have got some more stuff planned with this car, and I have to do the brakes on it soon as well. I'll show you that in a second. But let's get to the issue at hand today. So this car needs a clean, badly needs a clean to be fair, but this is the inside of my Seat Ibiza. These lights don't mean anything, it's just the ignition's on. So the issue that I've got to show you is, we have a window there, we have a window here. Now the ones in the back are wind down, so they're not too much of an issue. If I am to press this button, this window goes down, as it should. I'll blow up my neighbour's license plate, don't worry about that. So the window goes down, as it should. Now on this side, the window goes down, as it should. But let me take you over there. Now I'm role playing as a passenger princess for a second. The issue we've got over here, put myself in the seats for my girlfriend or my fiance, nothing happens. So it needs a clean, as I said, but I don't think the dirtiness is going to affect it. But nothing happens when I press that button. So that is the issue we've got today. Now luckily I was having a little look around and I think I know how to fix it. But it's very irritating. I'm driving along, she wants to put a window down for a vape or whatever they do, and it doesn't work. I can't put window down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and fix that with us today while we're here. I'm going to show you the brakes as well, so we know what we're looking at. But that'll be for a future video. I thought I'd make a quick one just so the YouTube channel isn't completely dead. But let's get to it. So to make sure we can actually fix it, I've done a little bit of research before we made this video today. And I know how to fix it. It shouldn't be too hard. But to be fair, I think it's going to be really easy from what it looks like online. So let me take apart the door and see what we can find. Now I'm hoping this will be one of those days where I take it apart and it's the world's easiest thing. But I'm also hoping it will be, because I have stuff to do, and you know, I do like fixing these cars. But last time I used to take a door card off of my old Seat Ibiza. This is just bits and pieces in there. We've got some tablets and stuff, whatever, ignore that. Last time I took my Seat Ibiza apart, it was a bit of a hassle getting the door back on and together again. So I'm going to quickly record this, going to give it a time lapse, hopefully it won't take too long, take off the door I need to take off, and we can see what we can find. So literally here, I was just going to take off this bit so I can take off the door card, because I saw that there's some screws there. But little did I know that this is all I needed to do to get to the switch. In my last Seat, you have to take off the entire door card, but this one, much simpler. So I've got no cameraman on today, but I don't know if you saw that. I think we found the issue. Yeah, I would say that would be the issue. Now that's really annoying. I don't know how it's come out. I think it's just a clip, but I'm assuming being an argument or whatever reason, being parked on a hill, the door slammed and this is just falling out of place. It must not have been plugged in very good the last time somebody's been down here. So hopefully, if I just plug that in, I think I've still got the ignition on, which isn't always a good idea. Wow. That has been troubling us for months, and it was as simple as taking off the trim and replugging back in the switch. So see if I can get you a good angle here. There we go. Well, it worked now, that's all you need to know. So not only is that probably one of the shortest videos that we're ever going to make on this channel, but probably one of the easiest. So yeah, it works. I don't know how that's come out. Once again, it really needs to clean. My car's filthy, but it's come out. But now I no longer need to put the window down when someone's in the passenger seat. I need to open it for wind or smoking or having a wee, whatever people open windows for. And while I'm here, actually, I'm just going to show you guys something about this car that I need to get fixed. I do love this car dearly. Once again, it really needs to clean. So we've got the back here. Disc brakes, they're actually not too bad. There's no real ridge there. Not anything too sinister. You come to the front. I won't show you in too much detail, but they're on the way. Yeah, you can see the grooves there. It is looking plenty. It is looking lovely. We're gonna have to replace these and also replace the old pads as well in there. Ah, it's got VW audio. Well, it is a Seat, so that makes sense. Well, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, I've got a few things planned for this car in particular. I haven't got any other project cars sort of on the search at the moment or in the go, but there's a few things I need to do to this. I need to clean it, I need to get the brakes sorted, and I think there's a few other bits and pieces of tidying up and looking after maintenance again that I need to do with this car before we get back on the road with it properly. As I said, I'm only doing back and forth to work at the moment, so it's all good for now. But when I start doing long drives again for holidays and Christmases and all bits and pieces, I've got some stuff in my hair, that's lovely. But yeah, when I start doing all that stuff again, we're gonna have to properly look after this car, get the brakes sorted and get the suspension redone again. I only just did it last year, but I need to get it done again because I think it's the way I drive it. It's either the way I drive it or the way the car is, but suspension's not sounding good in that either. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I'll keep you updated as soon as we've got more stuff to do for the car, and as soon as we get another project car, which will be hopefully soon. Don't know what we're gonna get. We're looking. We've also got a wedding to save up for and plan, so money's going there. Obviously there's more important things when it comes to living at the moment, but if I can find one for cheap, I will definitely get one and we can definitely start working again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you want to keep up with the content. I know it's not been a lot lately, and I know this hasn't been a lot, but it's been something. So thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.